How to fix your iPhone's camera is always on and spying on you. So, if you think your camera is spying on you, then hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel, and I will show you a few fixes that you can do to turn camera access off properly. So firstly, go ahead and open settings and then tap on the privacy and security option. Here under privacy app report, you will see the option for camera. Tap on it and you will see which apps are using your camera app and when. You can simply go ahead and disable few apps if you think they're being used in the wrong way. In privacy and security, again, tap on camera and review the app list, and you can turn off camera for social media that you do not trust, third party apps, games, and editing apps, and these apps will not get access to your camera anymore. Next, go back to settings and then tap on apps and scroll through and tap on the app that you find suspicious, and then go ahead and set the camera to never or ask next time, or simply toggle it off when not in use. You can then go ahead and scroll through and tap on Safari and then tap on the camera access and then select deny, and this will stop websites from taking your camera access. For extra protection, you can make sure that you do not install unknown apps. Make sure to avoid mod and cracked apps too, and keep your iPhone updated and remove apps that you do not use and has not been used in a long time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.